carb time. I've stripped the carbs. I've already looked at the vacuum diaphragms and everything. They're all good. Cleaned them up and everything. I'm on to the bowls now. We'll replace and fit that Tomax carb kit. I've taken the bowls off and they're stinking. Have a look at this. Right, so there we are. There's one that I've taken off. I've got all the jets loose here. So the mixture screw is, you get one of them with, I think with the, I might be wrong, I think you're getting a new mixture screw with the kit. The bowls are stinking and I've cleaned them up. So I've cleaned these out. And I've got these to replace, the seats, all the screws, thankfully have come out lovely. I've done the choke action, so that's working lovely. So I'm going to get the jets out, give them a clean, and yeah, we're getting it. Right, as you can see, there's the pilot jet. They're all clean. Lovely. Yeah. I haven't put a needle, nothing down them. They are actually pretty clean. Yeah, there's that. And I've got the main jet here. That too is quite clean. When it decides to, you can see. Yeah. When you take these out, it is essential that the flathead screwdriver, you use a big enough one to open it and make sure that it fills the gap, because otherwise they round off and you don't want that happening. So that I've taken the 4 lots out, cleaned them, put them back in. I'll put these back in now, and then I'm going to get the carb kit out. You can see the difference. There's the Tomax, obviously, and that's the old one. See, it's quite so for the needle valve, so that goes in there, like so. I did use parallel pliers to get these out. So look, does that push down? Screw in there. So, oh. It's not quite seated. Well, she's gone down. She's won't push any things like this. Next time I'm going to lube them up slightly. She's alright. Just want to make sure that it's in, you know. You can see now it is in. I could see the little gap around the bottom there. But when you look at the old ones, the gap is there as well. So I'm happy with that. So what I've been doing is taking these out. Sorry, right. Okay. Now getting the parallel pliers in there. there she goes. Right, give that a little clean in there now. Got the other the kits here, so right then, we'll see you get the rubbers. These rubbers fit lovely. They just push in very gently. I didn't even have problems with them falling out, nothing. When you put them on the carb, they go round lovely. As you can see. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect fit. And there we go. Well, what I did find, I took that one out and redid it because I wasn't happy with the, I wasn't sure whether the rubber seating properly. I found gobbing on them, on the rubbers, just gives you that bit of ultimate, watch this. Oh, didn't go in like the last one. Hang on, let's try again. Slow. Right. There. It's just went in. And that is it. Beautiful. Right, here we are, back at the bike. Carb's looking much cleaner. Got the boots on, got the clips on ready. I'm going to put a bit of Vaseline on them rubbers. A good friend taught me that. Where the hell is the Vaseline gone now? Some of these things like here, I can't even remember what they're for. I'm pretty sure these are the overflows. Christ, I can't remember. That's the fuel in, definitely. So that I mean. We'll put that down there for now. Yeah, I'll vase them up and then we can tighten them all up then. Right, here we go. Got the carbs on. They're all on in there. Lovely. Let's say I got the choke down here, so I can fiddle with that down there when I want to put it on. I've got new spark plugs. I've got a box of them there ready. I'm going to put them in. I'm going to put them in down there and turn it over just to see what it sounds like. I've connected this old fuel line up just for now, just to test it, just to see what's going on. I can't remember all these there's vacuum hoses here somewhere. I know on the diaphragms here, so I'm going to have to dig out some things. Yeah, I'm conquering on. I've tightened all the clips up, so she's tight, you know. It's bloody fiddly to get on, but yeah, we're getting there. Right, well, Storm Dave is doing his best. Like, here we go. Right, reconnected. I put the new plugs in. Reconnected the high tension leads in order with the coils. I've had 12 volts on it, but I've got the battery on charge of the second because I've been turning it over. I've checked that I've got spark, and I have got spark on 1, 2, 3 and 4. I can hear the fuel pump running or clicking, so I'm going to go down the petrol station. I've got this little bottle that my mate gave me, very good friend of mine. And I've had it turning over on the start button, so well, there's a good sign. That's a good sign. Fingers crossed. Let's go and get some petrol. Right then, here we go. We've got the bottle there ready. I'm going to put some petrol in it now. Just do a little recap. I've got the fuel line going in. Got a hose ready. Don't want this to go on fire ever again. I might put another thing. That's a little bit loose there, you know. Reconnected the starter, obviously. Put the switch on, stand switch. I know I got spark and everything, so put some petrol in. I'm gonna put some power on her now, and let's try it. Right, got the neutral on. Let's turn this on. Let's give it a waft. Oh shit. Let's give it a waft of petrol. You can see it running down there. So obviously got to fill the just get that. It's got to fill the fuel pump up, isn't it? Don't forget now I got test the bowls and everything. So I'm apprehensive. I am shit to myself, because last time it burst into flames, it has scarred me, if I'm honest. Let's turn the fuel pump on, is it? It's not priming yet. Hang on a minute. Let's there she goes. Could you hear it? Stuck there, it is. Right. I'm going to bleed it and I'll get back to you. I promise it won't start until I hold it up, you know. Right. Let's have a little go at it. Get that ready, just in case. Shit to myself. Got that. Let's hold it up. I don't want to choke nothing on this one. There's no choke. I've got a bit of throttle, although the throttle cable. Let's just do it this side, I feel a bit better. Oh, the petrol's in there. Sure the petrol's in there. Don't go down, man. Petrol is down there. I don't know where the bloody petrol is. Oh, I need to turn the bloody thing on, don't I? Oh. For all that, the bloody thing was off. The petcock, you know? I think. Off, yeah. Fuck's sake. Still on there? Right, we'll try again. I had the bloody petcock off last time. I won't learn, I tell you. Tell you what. What's this here? Let's pull it up a little bit higher, because it's right on the limit there. Right. Let's have a go, is it? Now then, look at that. Now there's fuel going in there. There's no choke, nothing on. Choke is off. Maybe I should put it on. Let's have a go. Level's going down. So the bowls are filling. So there's nothing bloody leaking down here. Just going down, it's filling. Just give me a second, let me go and get my light just to make sure. Like I say, I might have to give it choke now. So far so good. Can't see any. I think the battery is died in mine. Have another look. It's taking the fuel. She's taking it. Still think it's priming, you know. Yeah, still needs priming. That battery is right on edge, so I might have to get my jump started out. Let's put some more juice in it because that's taking a lot, you know, filling the bowls up probably. Last time I remember it used to take a while for it. It used to slow down gradually. So let's see if she takes a bit more. She's running on it. Ah. Now she... I don't know if you can hear that, but when it slows down, hear that? It's building up pressure. Hang on a minute. God, I can smell that. It's I can smell that coming through the bores. Shouldn't be doing that. Right, I'll tell you what, I've never been so shit scared in my life. I can see mist coming out of the carbs, strong smell of petrol. I don't know whether that's supposed to be right. Try it again. Oh, we had a pop then. Come on, my girl. Right, I think she might need a bit of choke. thing is now, I haven't got the bloody choke attached, like. Bloody battery's going now. Right. Okay. Plan 2, we'll get a car over here and put the jump leads on it. Right. Got it attached to the car. Just spraying little bits of fuel out of there, which I don't know whether it should be doing that, if I'm honest. Don't know whether it needs choke. It might need choke because I put it on the air mixture screws at 3 turns, but I've got the fuel pump on. She's popping. Right. I think she needs a little bit of choke, maybe. The choke is down there. So I'm going to put you down and I'm going to try and give her a bit of choke. There we are, that's a bit better for you. Give her a little bit of choke and we'll see. Oh God. She's gonna go. Oh. Come on, Michael. She's trying. I'll get out your way because I feel a little bit more at ease now that she's trying to fire. She needed a bit of choke, she did. Try again. Oh my God, you see the smoke? Fair play. I'm just wondering what that little drop is there. I don't know what the hell that little drop is. It all seems to be water fuel tight. I can't see any drips. All seals are in it. Right, well, let's try it again then. I know I'm waffling, but I'm shitting myself at the same time, if you know what I mean. Last time this run, well, nearly run, there was bloody fire, so I'm shitting myself. Really. Give it a bit of choke. Come on, Miguel. Oh, she's so close. I tell you what, there's some smoke down over there. It's just the diesel and stuff burning off, probably. Right, let's try again. Oh. Give it a little tad more revs, is it? Sticky. Try again. Come on, girl. You're going anyway. Bit more revs. I should have bloody put the bloody throttle. I should have put the throttle cables on, not to. Fucking hell. Shit. It's just that bloody clutch thing pulled out. My God. Right, not so much. I dropped a bit of oil as well. That's all right. Oh, what's this? Probably that, is it? God. I'll tell you what. What the hell is... I don't know what the hell that is. Well, she started. Bloody hell. God, that was a hell of a bloody rev, that was. My God. Thing is, I have had stuff down the... Tell you what it could be as well. I had diesel and stuff down in the boards, didn't I? So, you know, it's probably a bit gone down in exhaust, like. Let me turn it off for a minute, let it have a breather, and I'm going to strap that bloody clutch thing in, and I'm going to see how this comes out, because it is windy. I just want there to be a lot of wind noise, you know? You're on it. We're in this together. Right, we'll bloody try it again, but this time I'm going to have to just hold it. Too much revs, you know. There's so little in it. We'll try it without revs at the moment. Well, it seems to be holding on the thing, you know, on the fuel pump, and I can't see any petrol leaking from any of the seals or anything. Give it another blast. Oh, now one. Bit of choke. Okay. There's a smidge of revs. Got that. Smidge of revs again, maybe. I need to hold that bloody thing spline in to stop it from... Oh. Well, she sounds bloody lovely, does it? Smidge more maybe. That's all right, let's give it a choke. Right. She's gonna go, definitely. Right, plan 2, we'll get the idler adjustment in there, because she's not idling. Right, I got the idle cable in there now, just to give her a smidge more, you know. I'm going to top that up as well, because the fuel's down low. I tell you what, this storm is horrendous. Now watch, that bonnet will be bloody off now. Right, we'll try again. Use the jerry can as a tripod, still hasn't turned up. Right, here we go again then. Everything alright? Yeah. Ready? Nearly there. Bit more. Bit more. Maybe a bit smidge of chalk, is it? Bit more. Okay. We'll keep on winding it in. There's only smidges. Oh, she's kept in it. Gotta be careful. That's all I wanted to do is idle. She's there. Smidge more. Oh. Smidge. You see that thing pulls out when it's running. She's running. Need something to hold that in. This is the clutch. The thing with the clutch sleeve cylinder hits against. It's just popping out every time. Right, have a breather, girl. I'll come back now in a minute. Let me get something to hold that thing in, or it'll be spewing oil everywhere. Right, I'm going to try again. I've put a bit of a, oh God, cable tie on her. I just want to get it running, and I'll come and do a little run around with you. Try again. That fuel pump is stopped priming, you know, so it is doing its job. I mean, this hasn't had petrol in it for years, like. Here we go. Oh my God. Let's give it a smidge more. Sod this. Come on, have a look. No way. I don't think that's coming out. Let's have another go. Oh my God, she's gonna go. I'm just giving it a little twist. That's all she needs. Oh, so excited. Oh. Come on then. Smidge more. I can smell something, but well, she sounds sweet. Bit more of a twist. What are we doing? Not even warmed up yet. The exhaust is. Right. Oh, she's so close. A bit more, is it? Burn the shit off. Another little. How's that looking? That's okay. I don't know why. I mean, she sounds lovely. To be honest with you. Sounds very, very good. Why is that coming from there then? I'm wondering if it's just not balanced, you know, it's synced. Let's keep going. Huh? She's coming back to life. waking it up gently. I mean, she's running off choke as well, so I think it is now. Don't it? Ah, bit of choke she needs. Let's give it time to. I mean, she has had a lot of shit going down the bows, you know, as you can see. I can smell things getting warm, you know, it's nice. Well, I'm quite, well, she sounds good, doesn't she? Surprised where there's one. Why is this one, like I say, well, give it a bit more. There she goes. Oh, there's a sound on it. My God. What a sound. Oh. Look at that. Bloody hell. Shit. My God. She's a little cracker. Oh my God, that's warm. That's warmed up already. The block. As you can see, the exhaust is warm as well. Right. I'm not running it anymore because there's no coolant in it and I don't want to take the piss with it. So, wow, what a result. One more went, sod it, one for luck because she has cooled down a little bit now. It's been about 15, 20 minutes. Let's try this again, is it? She probably needs a bit of choke now, actually. Just before she gets too carried away, like. She sounds good. Right, that's it. No more for today, girl. Bloody amazing. Look at all that stuff in there. I assume it's all the oils. That's probably transmission oil that must have gone down the exhaust. So it's probably full. But as you can see, she's warming up. Yeah, that's warm. Lovely jubbly. Let's put it away. Have a few beers.
Spanners, Stella, and big old